All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Saturday to everyone. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. As you can see by the title, we're going to be discussing everything Solana, see what is happening with the price of Solana, and of course, what we could be expecting as we do go further into this month of February. We're almost closing out the month, and I still cannot believe that we're already 2 months into the year of 2024. And just like that, you're gonna look and see the year of 2024 fly out, and you're gonna see, wow, time has just gone by super fast. Just look at 2023. Does it really feel like that felt like a whole year? Absolutely not. Times are flying. So if you're looking at majority of the markets, you're seeing some coins that are up right now, but at the same time, you're seeing some coins that are still seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. And that is because Bitcoin is still holding around $51,600 range. So of course, seeing a little bit of a pullback, which is totally okay. As far as Solana is concerned, Solana is down about 0.1% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. The price is currently sitting at $109.30, if you're looking at it in the BTC comparative, it's up 0.5% right now in the last 24 hours. So Solana did something quite interesting, which of course we're going to talk about when I do bring out the charts for you guys. But if we're looking at the market cap, $48.1 billion. That's the market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume still holding above the $1 billion mark, to be exact, $1.3 billion in trading volume. But before we go any further, as always, you guys know, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So quite a few stuff to cover regarding Solana. So you can see Filecoin has integrated Solana for decentralized storage solutions and to enhance the reliability and scalability of the Solana blockchain. And this is very interesting. If you guys don't know, Filecoin is a competitor to, you could say, Internet Computer. Very similar in a way, but if you're comparing the both projects side by side, in my opinion, I think Internet Computer does have an edge against it in terms of usability and some of the features that Internet Computer has. But this is really nice to see. Of course, this integration obviously worthwhile noting, and you can see this for yourself. The total swap volume on Meteora AG surpassed $4 billion. People are farming on Solana. People are doing everything possible to be eligible to receive some potential airdrops, which are rumored. And this is why, the Solana entire narrative regarding the airdrop is so massive. This is why we see so many people talking about the Solana airdrop. What's going to be the next airdrop? Which protocol is going to drop a coin? How can we farm this and that? So, speaking about people coming to the chain, this is one of the key metrics you want to be noticing. $4 billion. Do you think that's a small amount? We're looking at a huge number, 4 billion. Insert Donald Trump's, meme. Billions and billions of dollars is so funny. But yeah, that's crazy, of course. And you can see this for yourself. Jupiter Exchange surpassed $500 million in 24-hour trading volume. The coin itself isn't doing too much right now. A lot of sideways momentum. But again, I will take that, which you guys know why. And you can see this for yourself. Solana burned 2,229 Solana, which is equivalent to $257,200 USD out of total 4,458 Solana raised for fees over the past 24 hours. So that is, of course, really nice to see. But this is something I want you guys to be focusing on. So over $14 million USD bridged from other chains to Solana, and you can see D-Bridge Finance in the last 7 days is showing these charts right now. So remember, we talk about other chains, we talk about Avalanche, we talk about Ethereum, we talk about Solana, Polygon, all these things every single day. But when you look at the actual visuals, that's where you really understand, hold on, there are actually people coming to the chain. And this is the perfect example right in front of us. You can see this for yourself. From other chains, USD is being bridged to Solana. What does this mean? This means people from other chains are coming towards Solana. And this is really exciting, and this is something a lot of people realized early on, and the ones that did are the ones that are smiling right now, because SPL tokens over the past 4 months, as you know, have exploded. Meme coins have exploded, NFTs have exploded, the native token itself has exploded, and this is where the interest is coming in. And I hope this makes you guys realize why the Solana chain is so exciting. So now let's take a look at Bitcoin. Because of course today is Saturday. As you guys know, on Saturdays we do tend to see a little bit of manipulation across the board. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin made its way down to $50,627 earlier this morning. So I did see a little bit of a pullback, but we're seeing Bitcoin bouncing back above $51,651. So, you're back to where we were last night, but we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. And as I've said to you guys, on the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation than usual because CME futures are closed. So these are some factors that you need to keep in mind. But Bitcoin is still above $51,000, which is really nice to see. But of course, we did get rejected at that key resistance level, which I've been talking about, as you know, on my channel, which is at $52,000. We did reach that target, but we're seeing a little bit of a rejection at that point, which is totally normal and is expected because that is a massive level of resistance for BTC. Let's not forget, Bitcoin is up 22% literally since it closed out the CME gap at $39,000. So we need to keep these factors in mind before we come out and make any negative comments and stuff like that. But now let's take a look at Sol, because what Solana did is quite interesting. Obviously Bitcoin going back below $51,000, which I've mentioned, obviously it's going to impact the entire market, and Solana is no exception. What you're looking at is, I'm just going to show you it on the daily time frame first. You can see this for yourself. Sol reacted to the BTC price move. So Solana went down to $105, but what you're starting to see once again is Solana made its way back above that key resistance at $108.40. So you're literally sitting right above that key resistance right now. Still about 2 more hours to go before we close out the daily candle. It's going to be, of course, really important to see the daily candle closing above this key resistance mark. As you guys know, the significance of that key resistance mark, and obviously that is where we want to see the price of Sol sitting at. But that's how I'm currently taking a look at it. Overall, things are looking quite amazing, to say the least. Solana looking amazing. Of course, people want to see Solana start heading back up to the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level really fast. But one thing you guys want to continue to see and remind yourself is how much Solana has gone up over the past 3 months. Literally, people even in December, if anyone came out to people in December and thought that we would even be here at these levels early December, people would have probably laughed. People would have probably laughed. And I did see those comments coming in. If you've been following me on my channel, I was emphasizing this exact 78.6 where fireworks begin, and fireworks really did start after we got into this zone. We are talking about a move of 116% after that, and this is not a small project we're talking about. We're talking about a project that is in the top 5 cryptocurrency market rank. So numbers speak for themselves. So far so good, loving what I'm seeing, and I am expecting that we're going to see Solana hit the 0.50 zone sooner than a lot of people think, and that is of course a target at $131.90. Right now, do pay very close attention to BTC. Well, very important to see the price of Solana actually holding above here and closing the daily candle above here. That is extremely important, but we're going to take it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. Continue supporting, and I will continue to bring out these updates for you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.